Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see Lesson 3 Collective Nouns. Let's get started. Read the passage and circle the nouns which talk about a group of animals together. Monty and his family went to the countryside for a picnic. They stopped at a farm. They saw a herd of cows grazing in the field. On one side was a flock of sheep chewing straw. It was Mr. and Mrs. Lal's farm. They had a big dog and a litter of puppies. Monty also saw a beehive in the backyard. His father said, "Don't go too close. The swarm of bees may attack you." The nouns you circled are collective nouns. What is collective nouns? Collective nouns is a group of a person, place, animals, or collections of a person, place, animals. Okay, here they give some examples. Pack of cards, album of photos, pile of books, heap of stone, bouquet of flowers, brood of chickens, school of fish, litter of puppies, pride of lion, army of ants, team of players, troop of dancers, gang of robbers, crowd of people, crew of sailors. Okay, this is an example for collective nouns. Next, complete the crossword with the help of the given clues and fill in the blanks. Cross. Fifth one. A dash of fish. A school of fish. SCHOOL. School of fish. Sixth. A dash of chickens. A brood of chickens. BROOD. A dash of puppies. Seventh. Litter of LITTER. 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 A dash of robbers. Ninth. GANG. Gang of robbers. Next comes to down. First one. A dash of chips. A packet of chips. PACKET. A dash of sticks. Second. A bundle of BUNDLE. Bundle of sticks. A dash of photos. Album of photos. ALBUM. A dash of elephants. Herd of elephants. HERD. A dash of players. TEAM. Team of players. Understood? Next. Tick the correct collective nouns for the given words. Cross the wrong ones and write the correct answer. First, a band of monkeys. No. We can't say band of monkeys. We say it's a troop of monkeys. A pile of stones. Yeah, it's correct. A group of grapes. It's wrong. Bunch of grapes. Dash a bouquet of musicians. It's wrong. It's a band of musicians. A flight of stairs. Yes, it's correct. A flight of stairs. A school of elephants. It's wrong. It's a herd of elephants. A bunch of flowers. Yes. A herd of fish. Wrong. A school of fish. A swarm of bees. Correct. An army of soldiers. Correct. Understood? Next. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. A dash of wolves howled in the jungle. A pack of wolves. A band of dash sang at the party. A band of musicians. A dash of sheep is crossing the road. The flock of sheep. Where did you last see the bunch of dash? Bunch of keys. Tie the dash of sticks with rope. Tie the bundle of sticks. A dash of students is attending the quiz competition. A group of. A swarm of dash is buzzing outside the window. A swarm of bees. I bought a new dash of shoes yesterday. Pair. P-A-I-R. Pair. Okay. For this we finished our third lesson, collective nouns. And tomorrow we will see the fourth lesson, countable and uncountable nouns. Okay. Thank you.